In this video, I'll be showing you how to find recycle bin or trash on your Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over and find your files application. So go over to your Samsung folder and you're going to see my files right here. Once you go ahead and click on it, all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see recycle bin under utilities. Now your recycle bin is going to include any videos, photos, or documents that you previously deleted right here, and they will only show for up to 30 days. It says these items will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you deleted something and it's been a long time since you deleted it, chances are it might not be here. But if it's been within 30 days, then it is going to be here and you can find it. And if you want to like restore anything, select anything you want. And then on the bottom left, you're going to see the restore button. So you could go ahead and do that as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.